In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a polygon in Figma. By the end, you'll know the fastest ways to draw a polygon and how to control exactly how many sides it has, all while keeping your shapes clean and precise. Let's start with the main approach using Figma's built-in shape tools. With your file open, head to the top toolbar and locate the Shape Tools drop-down. It's the one right next to the rectangle icon. Click that drop-down and choose Polygon. Your cursor will switch to drawing mode. Now, click and drag on the canvas to draw your shape. By default, Figma creates a triangle, which is simply a polygon with 3 sides. As you drag, you can hold Shift to keep the proportions perfect, which helps the shape stay evenly balanced. If you want the polygon to grow outward from a central point, great for precise placement, hold Alt while you drag. Release the keys once you're happy with the size. If you prefer working with shortcuts, there's an even quicker way. Press P on your keyboard to activate the Polygon tool immediately. You'll be in the same drawing mode as before, so just click and drag on the canvas to create your polygon. Again, Shift helps maintain perfect proportions, and Alt draws from the center. This is a great habit to build when you want consistent, symmetrical results. Once your polygon is on the canvas, you're not locked into a specific number of sides. Select the polygon, then look over to the right-hand design panel. You'll see a setting labeled Sides, sometimes referred to as the point count. Increase or decrease this number to adjust the shape. Set it to 3 for a triangle, 5 for a pentagon, or 6 for a hexagon. Remember, polygons can have 3 or more sides, so just dial in the exact count you need for your design. As you change the number, you'll see the shape update in real time, which makes it easy to experiment until it looks right. Before we wrap up, here's a quick recap of the most useful tips. The Polygon tool can be activated with P. While drawing, hold Shift and drag to keep the shape proportional, and hold Alt and drag to draw from the center. These small techniques make a big difference in accuracy and speed. That's it. You now know how to create polygons in Figma using the toolbar, a shortcut, and how to fine-tune the number of sides in the design panel. Try these methods on your next project and enjoy the control they give you.